tip we did with the gas line, because sometimes it's tricky to get it in because of the notches and grooves and pins, is we marked with some nail polish where the points line up, so that way it's easier to get it in. Kenny wasn't too keen on my shade of pink. So we're packing up today, leaving Bullock Mountain and heading to Copeton Dam for diamonds and gold. Packing up today, babe?
Yeah, love. Yeah.
So you're putting the handy dandy shower away?
Yeah.
And the next place we got is powered with water, hey?
Yeah.
So we don't have to worry about that. Put it in our tank.
Yeah.
And you reckon that solar panel's working well?
It's working, yeah.
Didn't you say that we had heaps of power?
Oh, we got heaps of power, yeah.
So we'll lose our beautiful riverfront view. It's pack up time, Rubes. Gotcha, gotcha. I'll give you a bath at Copeton. We'll have a tap there. Use the Selsun Blue so you don't get itchy on the glass. All packed up. Oh, you're a big strong boy, aren't you? So the only disappointing thing about here is there's no access to the water, eh?
Well, that's it, yeah. You need to bring plenty of water.
But I mean, as in you can't walk down there to have a swim or
Oh, yeah.
let the dogs have a swim, or even when I walked all down the rocks, there was no access point to the water. And also the big prickles everywhere, eh?
Yeah, but it's a beautiful spot.
Yeah, nevertheless. Nice opportunity to get off grid, hey?
Yeah, hold hands together.
Sing Kumbaya, my lord. And chase butterflies. Ray, you gonna get in the car now? We're going to go see kangaroos at Copeton. Lots of kangaroos there for you. Bye bye Bullock Mountain. Just doing the final checks, left to right. All good. All hooked up, ready to hit the frog and toad. You'll probably drive off and leave me here. Got your seatbelt on? You got your seatbelt on too? Again?
Homestead's that way, mine, Riverside's that way.
And we were in campsite 1, hey?
Number one, beautiful spot.
But it is a bumpy ride, hey?
Yeah, four-wheel drive, definitely.
But you're loving off-road, aren't you?
Yeah, bit of an adventure, love.
Your rugged machine,
Yeah, mate. I'm trying. He's great. Well, does a good job.
which has the best resale value in Australia now. Right, Rube, you got yogurt on your chin.
How would you be if there's another car coming the other way? Fuck, you'd have to go back.
It's like a valley, eh? I'm just disappointed we didn't get to see the deers. Old mate fishing said they were having babies at this time of year, eh?
Yeah.
It would be lovely.
Christmas time.
It'd be lovely to see a little baby deer.
These Santa's little helpers.
But we found a deer skull, hey?
Yeah.
Well, Puppy brought one back, didn't you? A nice skull for Seb. He's a bit of a hunting dog, eh? Brings back a turtle. Bones. He's brought back like 6 bones and a skull. He's like an archaeologist dog. So it was $15 a night per person, off-grid unpowered. They have cabins here too and powered sites. And extra 15 per day for fossicking, but the host was away while we were here, eh? So he didn't really show us the fossicking sites.
Yeah.
But we're still chucking some money for fossicking because we just did it ourselves, eh? Holy cow, that's a bit of a tight turn, isn't it? Right angle. So is this the mine flow again or
No,
not?
this is Homestead.
Can I pat it? Oh! Hi, little one. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Aren't you? Hey! Aren't you beautiful? Oh, fluffy. Oh, fluffy. Hey! Oh, you are so pretty. Hello. Hello. Hey. Hello. You're so pretty. Oh. That was the highlight of the trip. Why didn't you pat it? So where are we, Glen Innes?
Yeah.
There's the places. Oh, pup.
Yeah. Look for bakery, boss.
But that's not fair because I can't get anything. There's one there. Pull over. Right there. Stop for me. So we made it to Copeton Dam. Kenny's just putting the leg on the oven, camper oven. We're testing our new camping aircon. Kenny's got the anti-ice maker going. So I got him for Christmas. Kenny got this for me for Christmas. A chick. TV, camping TV, smart TV, because we've got the Starlink now, we can live stream our TV shows, hey. There's a nice breeze coming in off the dam, Copeton Dam. I'll turn the tap on for it, eh? It looks thirsty. Can I just tap the bird for a minute first before it flies away? Ruby, no. Can you take in Ruby for a drive to empty the bins? Because there's lots of big green bins up there, woolly bins, so that's perfect. And we've got this section all to ourselves because all the other self-contained powered campers are all down on the water. But it's a bit noisy down there because they're all partying on and they are using their jet skis too. There's toilet blocks and showers up there. I think there's a laundry up there too. You're having a rest, Ruby? You tired? That pretty parrot's back, babe. I think it's brought a partner. There's two of them there. One's up on the box watching. One must be a lookout. The boy must be the pretty coloured one on the tap. And the dull coloured one must be the girl. Because I always reckon the boys are prettier in colouring in nature. Hey, just be careful, they'll fly away. Babe. Oh. Puppy. Excuse me. Excuse me. Where are you going? Puppy. You sleepy girl? You see the kangaroos? Where are the kangaroos? Where are the moo cows? She's amazed. Good girl. Ruby. She's just looking. She hasn't growled or anything. They come for a walk with Daddy.